In 1901, a British engineer named Hubert Cecil Booth invented the first powered vacuum cleaner. Booth was inspired by a lecture on air pumps and saw an opportunity to improve cleaning methods. His invention, called the Puffing Billy, used a gasoline engine outside a building to blow air into a room, forcing dust out through a hose. Booth's vacuum cleaner was a commercial success, leading to the formation of the British Vacuum Cleaner Company. Today, the global vacuum cleaner market is worth over $10 billion, all starting from Booth's innovative design. Every time you use a vacuum cleaner, you're benefiting from Hubert Cecil Booth's pioneering work in the early 1900s. If you found this interesting, share it with someone who loves history.